Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with the next zodiac sign, that is Virgo. Virgo 2022 January. So let's see what we have for Virgos in Jan. Virgos are mentally ruling a lot. Okay. They have the ability to overcome anything because they're that smart. First week is coming with a lot of offers for you, Virgos. Lot of offers. Maybe you're looking for some partnership. That's what I feel. You are actually walking towards a lot of offers in life. Okay, offers that might come to you with a lot of money also. That's what I feel. So some offer is coming to you, or maybe you will offer something and that will be accepted. Okay, in your workspace. Second week, you will be more closed. You will not share much with anyone. You will also be careful about your money. That's very good. Okay. Third week, there is a lot of parties, celebration in your workspace. There is happy energy. There's a lot of balance also. I feel there will be a lot of stable income, stable work. Everything is going to be very stable in the third week. And in the fourth week, you will feel very happy and like you were closed in the second week, but in the fourth week, you're going to be more generous, more happy energy, sharing and caring with everyone. Because second week, you were very close due to maybe your own fears. You know, sometimes when we are doing some kind of business or anything, we're very careful. We're not sharing much. We're not investing much because we remember what stress we had gone through in the past. So everything that you will do in the second week will be more to yourself. This is mine. I need to take care. That kind of a thing. But in the fourth week, you're going to be generous because that is where you feel happy. Everything is balanced now in the third week. So the fourth week, you will start sharing. You will do a lot for children, I feel. If you have kids or maybe somebody else's kids, but definitely you're doing a lot for kids. So the first week offers, okay? There are a lot of offers, or maybe you are offering, okay? Second week is you're taking care of money, you're more close, you're not sharing. The third week, there is a lot of balance, energy, balance of work, balance of money, balancing people also. And the fourth week is a lot of sharing, a lot of generosity. You will feel very happy. You will give gifts, maybe you will share your money, maybe, something like that. Yeah, nice. Quite a nice month for you, Virgos. Not bad. Okay, let's see what we have in relationships. Okay. Okay, relationships. Relationships, Virgo, I feel in the month of Jan, you still have to open your heart. Somewhere you're very detached emotionally. I feel that people who are married and who are committed in a relationship, they will have a better time in their relationship. People who are wanting to get into a relationship or maybe wanting someone in their lives, they need to move on from the past energies because in the month of Jan, you will actually be walking, releasing everything. You're literally opening the curtain and saying, now I'm ready to be seen in a relationship. This is for singles. And people who are committed and who are in a relationship, they are going to do very well in this month. Very well. There's a lot of joy. There is stability. See, again, second time stability is come. So there is a lot of stability. There is a lot of joy. There is commitment. Maybe few people will decide to get married. And if you're already married, your marriage is going to rock. There's a lot of opening of heart chakra. A lot of heart chakra energy which is opening and giving and receiving love. It's beautiful. It's beautiful for people who are already into it. And who are not, they are going to walk and say, yes, now I'm ready. Now I'm ready to commit, or now I'm ready to be in a relationship. So that was relationship. Now let's see what we have as a fairy message. Have you ever been told that you're wise beyond your years? Maybe a lot of wisdom coming to you. That is what fairies are saying. Now it is time for you to call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you in this challenge. So whatever challenges you will go through in this month of Jan, I think the wisdom and the guidance is already inside of you. You will just have to go inside and talk to yourself, and you will come back like a real wise person and take a wise decision in your life. So that is what the fairies are telling you. Just go inside because you know it all, Virgos. Right? So that was a beautiful reading and a beautiful message. And don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, share it with the family and friends, and call me for paid appointments only. And my email is in the description. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.